Good morning, lovely friends. This is Sangeeta Gupta, your Reiki Grandmaster. And thank you for giving me such lovely response, for calling me and asking me questions, and I love it. So please keep calling me and clearing your doubts, and I'll be happy to more than help. And please write your comments, like my video, and subscribe to my channel so you all know this, and of course, share them. So today I'm going to be talking about one thing, and that is free Reiki 2 class. Excited? I know a lot of you want to learn Reiki 2, and today I'm going to give a sort of an introduction and some insights and some benefits of Reiki 2 class. Reiki 2, why Reiki 2? Why should we do Reiki 2 when we have done Reiki 1? See, friends, I'm of the opinion that Reiki 1 is more of an introduction to Reiki, to energies. You just get to know what they are all about. It is just the beginning, it is not the entire thing, and you need to actually. Sorry for this, I was a little uncomfortable. So, Reiki 2 is all about symbols, about deepening the healing work and working very deeply with your life issues. Reiki 2, on a very serious note, is all about your life, how to heal every aspect of your life, be it your relationships, be it your health, be it your work area, be it money, everything. And it has to do very importantly with symbols. So there are mainly 3 symbols. So I want to clear some confusions about Reiki and Reiki symbols. Lot of people call me up and ask me how many symbols are there. That person is giving so many symbols and I want more symbols. So Reiki 2 is not about lots of symbols, it is about 3 symbols. That is what Dr. Usui gave to this world. Later on, people have been giving lot of symbols. I'm not saying that they don't work, they work. Karuna Reiki symbols work, but I'm of the suggestion that don't get into lots of symbol thing. 3 symbols for an initial stage person are more than enough. 3 symbols can heal your entire life. If you wish to, you can learn Karuna Reiki symbols later on, but 3 symbols are very important, very beautiful to work with, and they give you excellent, excellent, excellent results. So I am going to talk about these 3 major symbols in Reiki 2 and how they can benefit you, how can they transform your life, how can you actually work with other people, how can you transform other people's life, how can you change their attitudes towards you, because life is not only about you, it is about other people in your life. So it is like a drama of life where you are the main person and you have various relationships, people around you, and they tend to upset you, they tend to make you angry, they don't listen to you. They can be your spouse, they can be your children, they can be people at work. So people are experiencing a lot of upsets with people around them. So what is the symbol that works very nicely with people around me? So the symbol that works very well is the second symbol. I am talking about the second symbol, which is a mental and emotional healing symbol. So mental and emotional healing symbol is Seiki. So the symbol has to be pronounced correctly and drawn correctly, drawn the way it is meant to be and chanted the way it is meant to be. Why? Because chanting of the symbol is very important. If somebody does not call my name properly, if my name is Sangeeta, if somebody doesn't call me Sangeeta or somebody calls me like Geeta or Sunita, I will not listen, obviously, because I'm tuned in to my name alone, and my name is Sangeeta. So if there is another Sangeeta and you're calling her, then I will awaken automatically. So it is like that with Sehiki. So Sehiki is the symbol. When you chant it properly, it will listen to you, it will work for you. So you have to be very specific, very clear about what you're saying. So this symbol will help in making the other person listen to you. Yes, Seheki will make the other person listen to you. A person who doesn't listen to you, especially your boss or your husband, these are 2 main people, or your wife or whosoever. So you can draw like I'm sitting here and the person is opposite me, and I can just, visualize with my eyes open that there is a Seheki on his mind and he's listening to me. So when I'm doing that, the person becomes more receptive to my ideas, the person becomes more receptive to me and will start listening to me. That person becomes in tune with me. Since it is a mental and emotional symbol, it will work on the mind and the heart of the other person. The mental messages that you draw from your third eye. So basically, you're working with your third eye. As you all know from my previous videos, that third eye is a very important uh, chakra. So, whatever wish, whatever intention you throw out in the universe with your third eye, including the drawing of the symbol Seheki, so it creates a beam from your third eye to the other person's third eye, and the person becomes receptive, especially if he's nearby, if he's in your family and he's connected to you. So he will start listening to you and responding to you in a very positive way. And I've seen the changes of Seheki. They have created a lot of changes in relationships with people, and if your money is stuck up, people tend to return the money if you're using Seheki. So that is the power of Seheki, and it will open the heart chakra also. So if a person whose relationship is not working, or the beloved or the girlfriend or the boyfriend is not listening, so you need to draw Seheki connecting from your heart chakra to the other person's heart chakra. So when the heart chakras are connected, you send the message. The third eye is connected on one level, then the heart chakras are connected on the other level, that is the emotional level, and the emotions are understood by the other person. So Seheki works like that. So now let me talk about the the first symbol, which is very powerful, and that is Chokure. This is the power symbol, power and protection symbol. So most of us feel powerless or helpless or victims, like what's happening right now in the universe. We are feeling powerless, helpless, victims of a disease that we don't know about. So at that time, one thing is protection and the other thing is empowerment. So especially in these times, we need both the things to empower ourselves to get out of this depression, of this feeling of fear. So by drawing this symbol on the 7 chakras, so those of you who are tuned in, who have the attunement of Reiki too, can draw the Chokure on the 7 chakras, like on the crown chakra, the third eye chakra, the throat chakra, the heart chakra, the Manipur chakra, the sixth chakra, and the lower chakra. So all the 7 chakras you draw Chokure, and it empowers you. The chakras become very powerful, and you draw on both your palms as well. So it will make you feel very powerful, very strong, and protect you. And you can also draw Chokure on all the 6 sides of your body, like front, left and right, back, above and below, and visualize that you are enclosed in a crystal triangle. So you are increasing your aura, you are increasing your power, and you are in an enclosure of safety and security with Chokure. So Chokure helps you. I'm just so sorry, this is just went down. So Chokure is the symbol that protects you from all the 6 sides, and along with using a crystal triangle, it is very effective and powerful. So that is the usage of the second symbol Chokure, and you have to draw it very correctly, you have to chant the name correctly, and that is how it will respond to your intentions. And you can also do protection from someone who is far away. So what you do is you visualize the person, the thing you want to protect in between your palms, and you will visualize the symbol Chokure in front, back, left, right, above, below, along with the pyramid. So visualize the pyramid. The enclosure of the pyramid is very important. Pyramid is the shape wherein more energy is brought and the person experiences being protected. It increases your aura many fold times. So, nothing can enter into your aura. So, Chokure along with the crystal triangle therapy works very well. Whenever you are feeling low and depressed, at that time drawing chokures on the 7 chakras on your palms will work very well. And also when you energize your water with chokure, this is your glass water and you draw chokure over it, chokure, 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 it works very well. So use chokure extensively for your protection, for charging. In fact, people who in your family or somebody who's suffering from COVID, you can charge the water and give him the water. So it will help in the recovery. This is the usage of the second symbol. It works very well on energizing the water that you are drinking. You can also put in your intentions that you want uh, and it will help you. So, now let us come to the third symbol. So, my dear friends, people fumble with this symbol. So, you have to chant it correctly. Its name is Hon Sha Ze Sho Nen. Hon Sha Ze Sho Nen. So, you have to chant it correctly and draw it correctly. So, this is the symbol. You'll tap it 3 times. Honsha Zeishunen, Honsha Zeishunen, Honsha Zeishunen. So, this acts as a bridge between you and the person receiving the healing. So, I am giving healing to somebody who's sick or ill. So, this will work as a bridge between me and that person. And this person, this symbol can be used at the back in the backbone issues. And this is like a bridge symbol, so it connects you and the future events. So, somebody who wants to do healing for the future, it will be working like a battery. The battery stores energy in it. So, the Honsha Zenshunen symbol will work for the person in the future to help him cope up with the coming event. So, this is how the 3 symbols work. So, please watch for my next videos on Reiki 2, what all you can do with Reiki 2. So, this is the first class of Reiki 2 level and I hope that you really enjoyed it, and if you want to comment on it, do comment and ask me any questions and I will definitely revert back. And if you wish to call me on my number is 9811142249. Thank you and goodbye for now friends. See you.